little ones, welcome to Miss Ching's Learning Channel. I'm Miss Ching and today we are going to sing a very heartwarming alpha sound song because we've finished all of the alpha sounds already. However, we are going to be featuring the Furbabies from Furvent Animal Shelter over there from Baguio City, Philippines. Now, hopefully one of you can adopt or, yes, give love to one of these babies because they are looking for homes. However, if you cannot adopt, you can still help. Here are their QR codes and you can help with their supplies, you can help with their medicines and their food. So that means a lot. We also have our Ninong Ninang program. What is this? So you kind of adopt a pet, okay, one of the fur babies that you will be seeing, but you don't need to bring the baby home. So what you do is you will sponsor the baby for a minimum of 6 months. And every week we will be sending you photos of your little one. So in any way, we thank you in advance for whatever help you can give us. Okay? So, let's sing the song twice. So, first, look at the babies. And then in the second go, do the actions with me. Yes? Okay. Are you ready? Now, let's look at the babies. Ready? Go! They're adorable, but they're so beautiful. They're cute and full of charms. They're our darlings, they're exciting. They're a feather in our arms. You're good to them, how they're so heavenly. They're the ones I idolize. J, they're like Jack and Jill. They're so kissable. Oh, they're the love light in my eyes. I could go on all day. Alphabetically speaking, they're okay. Make my life complete. They're so very sweet. And it's always fun to do the alpha sounds with them and you. I'll show you what it means to me. This time, you sing and do the action with me. Ready? Okay, here goes. You're adorable, you're so beautiful. You're cute and full of charms. You're a darling, you're exciting. You're a feather in my arms. You're so good to me. You're so heavenly. They're the ones I idolize. They're like Jack and Jill. You're so kissable. Oh, you're the laughter in my eyes. I could go on all day. Alphabetically speaking, you're okay. Make my life complete. You're so very sweet. And it's always fun to do the alpha sounds with you. To show you what you mean to me and them. It's always fun to do the alpha sounds with you. To show you what you mean to me and them. Bye!